Hello everyone, it's your boy Moscow back with another style talk. Today we are talking about a topic that has got the fashion world buzzing: baggy jeans. Baggy jeans are everywhere right now, from the runways to the streets, magazines. It's just everywhere on social media right now. But are they really here to stay, or we are just witnessing the beginning and end of an era? Well, I took it upon myself to go to the streets and find out what you all think, and the results, let's just say, might surprise you.
Cargo pants.
Cargo pants.
Cargo pants.
Baggy jean.
Cargo pants.
Jeans.
Cargo pants.
But before we jump into that, let's break down this baggy trend. Where did it come from and why is it so hot right now? And could this just be the end of its era? Grab a snack, get comfy, let's get into it. Alright, so let's talk about baggy jeans. You know how they've been making this serious comeback, right? Like everywhere you look, there's just someone putting on a baggy jean around the corner. Baggy jeans have been hyped up as the new main thing to have right now in fashion. But here's the thing, trends come and trends go. And not everyone is even buying into this baggy jeans craze happening right now. So why is that? Why are people steering away from baggy jeans even though they are supposed to be the new main thing in fashion? Let's just break it down. First off, versatility. You know, baggy jeans have a certain look that not everyone can pull off. They are great for a laid back, chill, streetwear vibe. But when it comes to dressing up and looking a bit more polished, they can be a bit tricky. And that's where the cargo pants come in. They offer that same relaxed vibe and fit, but with more structure and styling flexibility. Cargo pants come in endless designs and can look in so many different ways. That's one reason why I think people are leaning away from baggy jeans and moving towards cargo pants. 2. Comfort and practicality. Comfort is just another big factor when considering the type of pants to wear. Sure, baggy jeans are comfortable, but that extra fabric of the denim could just be a downside, especially in warmer climates like over here in Nigeria where it can get so hot. The extra fabric on the baggy jeans is not just as breathable as cargo pants, which on the other hand tends to be lighter, has more practical elements like pockets, extra pockets.
Cargo pants it has so many pockets and so it's multi-purpose. Yeah, so I'm an on-the-go person, so lots of pockets.
Holes. All this just makes it more breathable and adds to the appeal of the cargo pants. Remember, it's not just about fashion but also functionality. And yes, I know we don't really use the pockets on our cargo pants as much as we think we do, but knowing you have that extra pocket as a plus is just something that will make you want to pick the cargo pants over the jeans. 3. Cultural shifts. Yes, in fashion, trends come and trends go. Whether you like it or not, there's nothing you can do about it. And that's because fashion trends often reflect the current times, and right now we are seeing that shift towards a more functional and practical fashion. The rise of athleisure and utility wear is just a huge part in that. Cargo pants just fits into that category so well. And finally, personal preference. At the end of the day, it's just about wearing what makes you feel good. While some might prefer the bold statement of the baggy jeans,
I prefer baggy jean because
I
I can style with my shirts and polo, singlet and all. But cargo pant might not go with some shirts. And some shirt I want to put on, I feel cargo pant might not go for it.
some might just prefer the practicality and vibe of the cargo pants.
It's way more comfortable.
What do you need extra pockets for? Because I know practically we don't use the pockets as much as we think we do. So why do you need the pockets?
It's just comfortable. It's comfortable. Like you can wear cargo pants all day. Jeans sometimes can be a bit restrictive, but cargo pants is like very comfortable.
But baggy jeans too are comfortable,
Yeah,
don't you
yeah,
think?
yeah. Baggy jeans are comfortable.
So baggy jeans or cargo pants?
Cargo pants.
Still cargos.
Cargo pants.
Oh wow, nice. So cargos have it for this round.
Fashion is subjective, so just wear what fits your style and your personality. Remember, these trends and tips are just guides, not a rule book. So is this the end of the road for baggy jeans? Well, maybe not entirely, but it is clear that baggy jeans are not just for everyone. It is all about what works best for you and your style. So after talking to people on the streets, it is clear that baggy jeans had its moments, and that trend might just be well on its way out, or at least for now. That's just one thing about fashion, right? It just keeps evolving. Fashion is a cycle, and what trends today might just fade away tomorrow, only to come back stronger in a few years. Baggy jeans were huge way back in the 90s, but they disappeared for a while. Now they've made a comeback, so who's to say they won't come back again? Whether you're sticking with baggy pants or moving on to something new, it is important to wear what makes you feel good, because at the end of the day, style is personal. So don't follow trend, create them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion insights. And hey, Let me know in the comments, are you sticking with baggy pants or you're moving on to something new? Peace out.